YouTube.
Here we go.
Guns up. Let's do this.
Don't tell me what to do.
I just don't know where to go in this game without.
Yes.
Alright, well, you guys go in there.
We're winning this fight.
Oh, well, I'm already dead. Okay.
I'll stay out that way.
Well, so did I.
Let's talk so much, Mac John.
Did you just say suck, sir?
I thought that's what he said.
Kill confirmed.
That's funny.
Oh, well.
Beans. Not sure we're used to that.
Oh, there's a fight next to
Not that, okay? Damn. Not that, it's a no A.
We've taken the lead.
Target down.
Learn to spell.
Maybe.
Oh, nobody in
Then I
here.
would be snitching.
Oh, there are only a few people in here that have passed the 5th grade.
Be advised, hostile UAV
I'm back
incoming.
to
Kill confirmed.
sort of.
Jesus Christ. Thanks for stealing that kill.
What's wrong?
Bastard. I just, you know, wanted to, and then that's oh, you know, I'm full of lies.
Fuck you, bitch.
Oh, damn, I
Friendly
got
care package
I suck at aiming as much as that.
I'm a fan.
That's a kill.
True, he did kill me and I didn't hit him a single time. When I first
Friendly
started trying
hunter-killer
to
drone deployed.
blow my gun off yours and it all of a
Friendly
sudden stuck
UAV
in the
inbound.
dick.
RCXD inbound.
Get moving.
I can't see.
Hostile grenade.
Damn, bitches.
Wow, really?
I even killed you.
Shot him out.
You know, did it happen?
Well, that's probably one of the most unfortunate deaths I've ever seen. Headshot.
Yeah, well, it's
Kill right there.
Oh, wow. I'm about to kill him.
And wanna know what sucks?
You had an easy kill.
No, I didn't even get the marker.
I feel bad.
It don't feel bad for me, it feels good for me.
I don't know how.
Wow, okay, well, maybe I should watch, maybe I should dodgeboard more like a man and not become like a little bitch.
That's probably right.
Nope.
How'd you not kill him?
You're an explosive.
Just happened.
You gotta be kidding me. Regular fucking Mexican, bro.
The whole school was trying to
Did you just get your ass down and blow?
Yo, FTT guy, get the out of the way. There we go.
Oh, jeez, don't do that. I just saved your ass.
That's a kill.
actually.
But why'd you leave me?
Hey, I was gonna
I
kill the guy.
died.
I shot him first with the vector and he shot me once.
I know we shot you like, 5 times.
Kill confirmed.
I'll tell you how many times.
Oh.
I got your Avenger medal, don't worry. Oh my god.
You know what?
Tossing flash.
Not getting your children back.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Move.
Wow, how would I get somebody back? Thinking it doesn't blow him up.
It's our guardian. Nope, it's not our guardian. Not our guardian.
Where's it
It's
at?
the same shit, don't you know? How good is it?
You don't assume everything, like my 6. I mean...
Where's it at?
We're winning this fight.
Jesus Christ, sniper.
I still won.
Hey,
Reloading.
Wow.
That was filming.
That's a kill.
told him I told somebody.
Oh.
Fuck you!
Oh.
No! Okay, at least you didn't shoot my car.
Mason jar.
You just say ninja?
I said a big jar. A big jar.
Hoo-ah!
The hell's a ninja? Stealthy jar?
I said a
Watch out for the
big
pickle of
jar.
death.
But in big jar.
What did you say?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Be advised, hostile care package inbound.
I just shot that wasp and that
Oh my
fucking
God!
gotta go.
Right, this place.
Dropped him.
Well, he's probably going to use it.
Hey, did you damage my
Hey, that's
car?
bullshit. That is bullshit.
Oh, wow. Pink, I have no respect for you.
That's perfect.